Hi everyone, it's Chris at Gardening Express here. I'm in and around the nursery today, checking the quality of our plants, really important, something we're passionate about, but also making sure we're bringing that great value to you at home. And I've come across this wonderful crop of it's Agastache Peachie Keen. So this is a wonderful, quite a new release variety. It's got this kind of peach flower. It sort of erupts from this kind of pink base and it fades off to this very soft, sort of peachy, almost yellow kind of colour. And that's quite sort of unusual, but I think it's one of those uplifting colours to have in the garden. So it'll bloom from midsummer, say June-ish, right the way through to the first frosts of winter, and it's a really sort of nice plant. It's got a bit of a fragrance to the leaf, and this will be, imagine that sort of just in your beds and borders. There's a bit of a swathe in there. That would be, even in an unusual like large planter, you could do a herbaceous planting in a patio planter for something a bit different rather than just sort of annual bedding, and this would be a really nice plant for that as well. So get these in your beds and borders, perhaps even combine with I think this colour would actually contrast nicely with a blue catmint, quite unusual, but those colours, you find oranges and blues actually work quite well together. So I'd recommend this plant for that sort of combination. Herbaceous, so you just cut it down in the autumn, comes back next year with a vengeance, and you'll do all this again for you. So very easy to care for. That's the Agastache Peachie Keen. Thanks very much, and I'll see you next time.